What's going on YouTube? It's your boy John B coming back to you guys with a brand new haircut tutorial. This is a Captain America haircut. I'm just calling it like that because I feel like my boy looks like that with this haircut done. But before I get started on this, I just wanted to say thank you guys. We hit 500 subscribers. This is the fastest pace that I've been on right now. And I just wanted to say thank you guys. And I haven't posted in a few days, like maybe almost 2 weeks. But I've gained more subscribers in that span than anything, but I just did want to say sorry for not posting. But I do have, after this video, I have 2 more videos that I have to still edit and get for you guys. But I'm actually going on Memorial Day weekend. I'm gonna be gone. I'm gonna be in Vegas and San Diego. So if you guys are from there, hit me up. Hit me up on my Instagram, my Snapchat, even on my YouTube. If you guys have a shop that I can check out nearby San Diego, nearby near SeaWorld where I'll be at, so hit me up. And if you guys want to see a vlog from there, I'm going with my friend and I can get that up for you guys if you guys want. I'm a vlog regardless, but drop a like if you guys want to see that. But back to the haircut. I'm blending downwards this whole time with my Andis Fade Masters with the fade blade. If you guys can tell, I already did the simple steps and the scale liner balled out and the shaver. Now I'm just going with the 1.5 open, 1 guard open, sorry, then 1 guard close right below it, go up with the half guard, open it to blend into the 1, and then the rest is with the Fade Master close and open, like various. So as you can see here, white people hair is really easy. Not relatively easy, but the blend doesn't consist as much as, say, someone with coarse hair. It's easier to blend. It's definitely easier to style. But this is my boy. He's been coming to me for 3 years. We actually grew up together, and he's always had like this in-sync throwback style kind of haircut. It was really whack, like spikes everywhere, and I hated cutting his hair. So I told him one day, like, yo, it's what year was it? Maybe 2015, 2016. I'm like, yo, we gotta change your hairstyle up, bro. Like, that's hairstyle you rocking. It does not blend well. It doesn't look good. Like, it looks whack. Like, you're in the wrong generation. So I told him, look, we gotta switch it up. Let me give you a comb over. It's popular right now. Not to be racist, but you're white. And I just feel like it'll blend well. So ever since we did that, he's looked, no homo, he looked way better. And as you can see in this the other side, I'm just doing the same exact thing. But back to what I was saying, he's gonna do his beard, and now Captain America has a beard. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if you guys watch Infinity War yet, but I did, and that shit is tight. That movie is good. I mean, I know he grew out his hair, but prior to that, he did have short hair. So yeah, it's really easy to cut white people hair or thin hair. My boy is balding already, so we don't really give him such a hard line in the front. So back to what I was saying before I stopped talking. I just want to say thank you guys. We're almost at 1K, moving hella quick. Thank you guys for so much support. And thank you for those that greeted me happy birthday. I appreciate that. This birthday was definitely really fun. And I know I slowed down with the vlogs, but I just feel like they weren't getting as much views. And like I said, I don't want to upload a weekly vlog of me just working, unless that's what you guys want to see. I've gotten another tattoo since I posted. I got 2 tattoos actually that I want well, 3 actually, but I'll get those to you guys soon. But like I said, I'll be gone on vacation for Memorial Day weekend. I'll probably try to upload 1 or 2 more videos before then. But as for that, if you guys want to keep up with me, follow me on my Instagram. It's up top on the video. Follow me on Snapchat. It's in my bio. It's in the bio. I mean, in the video description. And just thank you guys for everything. So I'll let you guys finish this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope this helped you guys for the future. And I have a taper next that I'm gonna upload. So Thank you guys for all the support. John B out.
Peterson.